Hey everybody, it's Rob, and this is your Unit 6 book video for class number 5. The topic is, what is a pie chart? And it comes from the unit, can you take a look at this slide? This is page 42. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you'll be using the pre-class video homework for Unit 6, page 42. Now, you do not have to do this. This homework is not required, but if you do it, you get 2 bonus points. Okay, but you'll be using this paper if you do it. Okay, so could you take a look at the slide? What is a pie chart? So first, please listen and look at my slides. Okay, by the way, one word I want you to know is precise. Precise in Japanese, I think means pitari. Let me check my dictionary to make sure that you get a accurate definition. Precise. Please listen.
正確な、
Seikakuna. Seikakuna or pitari. Okay? So I want you to know that. Okay, let's start. So first, a pie chart is a type of graph that represents the data in a circular graph. Okay? The data, information in a circular. Okay, like this. Data. My average day, Mainichi, watashi wa nani shimasu ka? I've got work, 45%. Okay, shower, bath, 5%, sleep, 25%, housework, 12%, fun, 13%. All of this data is in a pie chart. So, one more time. A pie chart is a type of graph that represents data in a circular graph. It is also known as a circle chart. So, circle or pie, either is okay. Circle, graph, or pie chart. Here, the terms pie and slices represent the whole, respectively, and the slices of the pie show the relative size of the data. So, for example, pie is the main topic. That's the whole. Okay, so the pie is the whole. The slices, the size and the name of each set of data. So work is a slice. Shower and bath is a slice. Fun is a slice. My average day is the whole or the pie. Okay. Pie charts are probably better than any other visual for expressing a part to whole relationship. For example, if you look at this pie, you can see right now rice is the biggest part. It's easy to see. You don't have to look at numbers or lines. So pie charts are probably better than any other visual for expressing a part to whole relationship. In other words, which one is biggest, which one is smallest, pie charts are the best. If you want your audience to have a general sense of the part to whole relationship in your data, a pie chart could meet your needs. So you're looking at this. Again, rice is the biggest, and these guys know immediately, they eat a lot of rice. Wow, they eat a lot of rice. You can see that. Okay. It is best when used with small data sets, and it should not be used for comparing the precise sizes of the slice. For example, small data sets. This is good. You have 3 data sets. This is bad. Too many data sets. It's very, very difficult to understand. Okay? So small data sets, pie charts are good. Big data sets, not so good. Okay, so one more time. Please listen and please, I wonder if I can get rid of all the annotations. Let's see here. Can I erase all ink on slide? Good. Okay. Let's do this one more time. Okay, please listen.
What is a pie chart? A pie chart is a type of graph that represents the data in a circular graph. It is also known as a circle chart. Here, the terms pie and slices represent the whole and the parts of the whole, respectively. And the slices of pie show the relative size of the data. Pie charts are probably better than any other visual for expressing a part-to-whole relationship. If you want your audience to have a general sense of the part-to-whole relationship in your data, a pie chart could meet your needs. It is best used with small data sets, and it should not be used for comparing the precise sizes of the slices.
Okay, now let's answer a couple of questions right now. True or false? A pie chart uses lines and rectangles to represent data. Number two, pie charts are good for sharing general information, but not so good for sharing precise information. And number three, the general topic of a pie graph is called the whole. True or false? 5 seconds, stop the video and answer your questions. Okay, here are the answers. Okay, a pie chart uses lines and rectangles to represent data. That's false. You could say the pie chart uses circular graphs. Okay. Number two, pie charts are good for sharing general information, but not so good for sharing precise information. That's true. A pie graph should not be used for precise sizes. It should be used for general information. And then number three, the general topic of a pie graph is called the whole. Yes, pi, okay, refers to the whole. Okay, good. Okay, next. Multiple choice. What is the slice of a pie graph? The general topic of the pie graph, the part of the data that has the largest percentage, or the size or percentage of the parts of the data that make up the whole. 5 seconds, stop the video. Okay. So the size or the percentage of the parts of the data that make up the whole. Soup is a slice. Fish is a slice. Rice is a slice. The whole, all of this, that would be the pie or the whole. Okay, good. Number two, the exact percentage or size of something is data. Average data, precise data, or rough data. 5 seconds, stop your video. Okay. The answer is precise. General, okay, average, rough, and general are die-tie. For example, what is the temperature outside? Around 20 degrees. Is that okay? Now, a precise answer is 22.3 degrees Celsius. That's very precise. Okay? So general, rough, and average daitai goro gurai, precise is pitari or seikakuna. Okay, good. Next one. Number three, a pie chart is most effective when comparing small sets of data, comparing large data sets, using rectangular bars. 5 seconds, stop the video. Okay. Answer is comparing small sets of data. This is good. 3 data sets, very general. This is bad. Too much information, hard to understand. Okay, great. Number four, Tokyo and Yokohama are the largest cities in Japan, reasonably, relatively, or respectfully. 5 seconds, stop the video. Okay, the answer is respectfully, okay, in order. For example, my office is on CETO 309. So the the order from my room is 309. Sakabe Sensei's room is 310. Ono Sensei's room is 311, respectfully. Korewa Junban. So Tokyo and Yokohama are the largest cities in Japan, respectively. Imiwa. Tokyo is number one. Yokohama is number two in terms of size. Okay. What do you think? In Hokkaido, the largest cities, let's see, the largest cities in Hokkaido are Sapporo and I think Hakodate, or I think Asahikawa, respectively. Okay, so that's how you use respectively. Okay, here are your answers. Okay, sorry, this moved a little bit. That's false, true, and false. And then the answer should be B, A, whoops, this should be A, comparing small sets of data, A. And this one should be, this got cut off. I'm sorry. This should be not relatively, this should be respectfully. It was a bad copy. I'm sorry about that. Respectfully. So it should be C, respectfully. Okay, so the answer would be C. Okay, so it should be B, A, A. Nope, this should be B. Precise. I'm sorry, this is a really bad video. Sorry about that, B. So it should be B, B, A, C. False, true, false, B, B, A, C. Okay, thank you. Please put this paper, okay, send this to, okay, there we go. That's much better. You can see this. There you go. Respectfully, comparing small to precise. Okay, okay. Parts of the data. Okay, so so it should be C. Skip this part right here. We just forget this. Don't even look at this. Bye bye. We're not even going to look at this. Forget it. Bye bye. This is bad. Karawakas. Sorry. Okay. Should be false, true, true, C, B, A, C. Okay. Send a picture of this to me at line before class and get 2 bonus points. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.